not a game, it's a rich thing.
Open the Chrome browser. Then search by typing pixlr.com. From here click on the 3 lines and sign up to create a new account. Click on Continue with Google option, and select your mail. Click on Continue option. And from here click on this logo icon. Then go down a bit. Select on AI Face Swap. Click on Open Image. Select your photo and open it. Then click on Apply button. Select the target photo here. Click the swap button and wait a few seconds. Click the save icon to download this image. Select the file type. And click Save. It looks very realistic. Go back to home page to swap photos again. Follow the same process. Click on Create New option. From here click on AI tool. Then click on Face Swap option.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Thanks for watching full video. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel for next video.